Recovery education and applied learning gives you access to meaningful tools to help you help your loved one who's struggling with a substance use disorder. In the next 2 modules, the CMC Foundation for Change will offer you a framework that introduces new perspectives on the process of being an effective helper. The Invitation to Change offers a holistic helping framework based on science and kindness. It's designed for you, the families and loved ones of people struggling with substance use disorders, as well as the professionals who support them. Invitation to Change invites you to reflect on what it means to help, reimagine the role you can play in the change process, and learn evidence-supported strategies for helping. The Invitation to Change approach is made up of 3 main parts: helping with understanding, helping with awareness, and helping with action. At the center of all this is practice, because learning new behaviors, including how to help, can't happen without practice. In the first of these 2 modules, we'll talk about helping with understanding. In the second, we'll discuss helping with awareness. If you want to learn more about helping with action, take a look at the Center for Motivation and Change website shown on your screen. So let's talk about what it means to help with understanding. When dealing with your child's substance use, have you ever thought they were selfish, morally bankrupt, or just crazy? Have their actions ever frightened, angered, or confused you? Maybe you've wondered things like, why on earth would they do this? Or perhaps, how could they do this to our family? You might have been told to use tough love or to distance yourself from your loved one until they realize that they need to change. All of these are normal reactions given the impact substance use has probably had on your child and your family. Unfortunately, these reactions have made it harder to help them. The reality is your child is using substances because it makes sense to them, and they're getting something out of their substance use. If you can work towards understanding what that is, you'll have much more information to work with. This will allow you to connect and help instead of disconnecting. If you remember anything from our Invitation to Change approach, it's this: one of the most powerful tools we have for helping another person change any behavior is slowing down long enough to understand the reasons behind that behavior. And how you understand your child's behavior matters a lot. The next video will give you a new way to think about the problem, and one that we hope allows more room for positive change.